Welcome to another video that I'm making for you guys today. So in this video I'll be showing you guys a project work that um, a student of University of Energy and Natural Resources in the Department of Information Technology level 300B made this game, and it's a semester project work. And in this game we revisited past events like the COVID pandemic, and we use that one to create the game. So the game is very simple in logic and in play. So the game talks about the past COVID-19 issues, and it talks about how you are to help a character who is in the COVID era to avoid getting in contact with the deadly virus. So to play the game, you have to use an up arrow key and the down arrow key respectively to go up or down, or you would have to use the W key to go upwards and the S key to go up to come downwards. So you can see the character in the virus. So now let's go and play the game and see how it's like. So to start the game, press on play, and as you could see, you are supposed to dodge the viruses. So if you come in contact with the virus, let's play again. So if you are to come in contact with the virus, you see the virus would let the person catch COVID, or you say the person has been contracted with COVID. So you have to go up and down to dodge it. So this game can be played by a family or by friends to know who knows how to play games like this. As you can see, as we used to be growing up, games like Subway Surfers and Temple Run were games that we used to be playing much. So if you play games like that, it serves as like a competition between friends, and shows them, it tells them, it enables them to hype on how good they are with the game. So this is how the game is, and how this is what we were able to build. So in the near future, if you are to upload more of this game, or if there is to be any change, you put it in this channel. And if you are interested in how the game is, we will link below in the comment section where you can get the game on our GitHub, and you could download it and play it yourself. So thank you for watching.